This is Maximus Analysis here for the close at April 26, 2016, and we see the ES is still hanging around. They have not broken a previous low. Now, the previous week's low is 2058.50, and I'm trying my best to concentrate on this weekly time frame because, as you saw today, it was, you got FOMC tomorrow, but it was a very, very choppy range. It actually consolidated at a level that I posted this morning, 2082, and it just stayed there for a long time. So again, they've held the previous level that we had, which is we talked about 2082, but yesterday they held they held 2070.75. So we're going to continue to watch this. Again, I'm not going to be overly bearish here. I am watching to see if they're going to break and close below a low. So you have EIA report for crude, and we'll talk about crude, of course, and FOMC tomorrow. So again, it might be a very choppy range tomorrow. So if there's anything that you're in, stay in. If you're going to initiate position, maybe you should wait till the end of the day tomorrow. Now looking at the NQ, you could see that we are in a sideways consolidation point from this previous resistance level that we've drawn. We want to hold a 44.22 level, and then of course hold that 43.89.50 level. Now the 40.42 is 44.22.75, and we'll continue to watch here and see what's going on. Okay, the YM will brush quickly. 17,750 area is the level that they want to hold. They're above this downtrending line, but you do not want them to get back in there. So actually, a 1750 level is kind of like a really telltale sign that it will get back into this consolidation point. But they're still making higher lows, so you have to respect it. Now for CL. They had a big move today. Let me look at the daily for you guys. That was the weekly, by the way, because of how sideways it was. So they had a big move up from 43. They got to a high of, I think, 44.20. So we really want to see what happens tomorrow for EIA report, and we want them to hold 41 on a pullback. Okay, that brings them right back into this area. It actually brings them a little deeper than I would like. But as long as they can hold this pivot, they're against the 200-day moving average. You're going to see tomorrow which way they're going to go, of course, because EIA reports. So you're going to see a move either up or down, and we'll take it accordingly. But the bulls are still in control due to these higher pivot points that we're marking here. Not the best of breakouts from this level. I mean, you got there, pulled back, got there, and still, but I mean, they might have some more juice in the tank. And again, it hit the target that we were talking about, so we'll continue to watch that one. Let's start with Google. And Google is continuing. Why is my chart not working? What the hell's going on? Okay. Google is continuing, that kind of scared me for a bit, continuing to break down, coming to test this 200-day moving average. On the weekly time frame, you can see that they're breaking last week's low, so they definitely need to hold this $700 level for Google. You have Amazon that pulled down another $9, but again, it's a $600 stock, but it has not. Again, with this bar, you were expecting some type of follow through. But it hasn't. So again, we'll continue to watch that. We don't want them to get back under this 613 point. And again, if they need to clear, we need them to clear 638. But remember that they have earnings on Thursday. So again, looking more on the weekly time frame, you can see that this is I have a trend line drawn from down here from these highs. So really seeing where they close this week is definitely going to see. We're definitely going to see how they do, because this could set up for something if they get back below 600. Another name that actually set up today was Celgene, actually, and check the earnings for that. But Celgene actually gave a pretty hard sell signal today with volume. So we're going to see, again, I posted some stuff on Twitter regarding the biotech ETF IBB. It looks like it on the weekly time frame is a kind of I don't know exactly where it's going, but we want them to hold this 105.60 area. and see where they continue from here. And Tesla, again, is just so sideways since this sell, but again, the bulls are still in control, holding this top pivot. Let me see if they give us a little bit of what's going on with Apple right now. Let me see if I could see it. Yeah, that was, let's go to a 24-hour chart. Oh, there it goes. That is 24-hour chart. So again, this is earnings, so I don't know where it's going to go. And you're just going to watch it and see what's going on from here. Let's not use a 5 minutes, use a 15-minute. And we'll see exactly where they go. And again, they clear below these 103 area. We'll continue to watch it, but again, it's earnings, so this thing is going to be all over the place. It could just be sideways, who knows? But again, they need to clear above, obviously, this 105 area, and we'll continue to watch this. But earnings after today is actually Chipotle, Apple, Twitter, and U.S. Steel X. So you're going to see a lot of movement. So we're going to continue to watch this and see where they go from here. And you can see this bipolar action right here live for Apple. So we'll continue to watch and see who's going to win this. And again, I don't even stare at this stuff. I'm just going to look at where they are later on today, probably, you know, by 8, 9 o'clock, and then see where they are in the morning, because it's, again, this is right in the mix of things. And if you really hate yourself, you'll go on a 1 minute and kind of see where it's going to go. So again, I'm just looking here like on the 15-minute, just to kind of see where if they break below these levels or they continue to the upside. So again, we'll see what happens, and we'll take it from there. Have a great one. Again, today I know the ES was a painful range, so don't kick yourself. Again, hopefully you didn't overtrade. Whenever it's chopped, just wait for a clear signal. All right, take care.